with your rhyme so crazy. You are number one. Make us laugh and wonder. You make reading fun. Dr. Seuss, we love you. Dr. Seuss, we really do. Dr. Seuss, we love you. We like Yertle the turtle. We like Sam I Am. Like the Grinch and Borax. And green eggs and ham. Dr. Seuss, we love you. Dr. Seuss, we really do. Dr. Seuss, we love you.
Miss Lacey's, Mr. Kingston. Did we put Miss Fifi? Yeah. Hats off to Miss Fifi. Triplets. There you go. Congratulations. Hats off to Miss Hazel. Hats off to Miss Laura. Congratulations. Hats off to Miss congratulations. Okay, so this time we'll call on your teachers, okay, to acknowledge your efforts. Let's start with Miss Kaisel.
Good morning, PYP. All grade 1, we all love green, egg, and ham, right? But I would like to acknowledge Andrew for his, not only for his custom, but the enthusiasm when he's reading Dr. Seuss book. He really loves Dr. Seuss reading. I can see it in your reading. Come on, Andrew. Congratulations. And Doris also shows really a lot of enthusiasm and love for Dr. Seuss characters and books. Doris. Okay.
Okay, thank you. Is it on?
It's on.
Okay. Okay, thank you. So those in grade 2 that I want to award, can we give a clap for Angela? Angela. You should wear your hat. You nearly didn't get your award because of this. Thank you. Thank you, Angela. Okay. Yilia. Where's Yilia? Actually, she makes enough. Thank you, Yilia. Lovely hat. Well done. Phil. Miss Anne finally told me the difference between them yesterday. Thank you, Phil. Alan. Well done, Alan. What?
Alan.
I love his reaction. What? Phoebus Chan. Phoebus. Well done, Phoebus. Thank you. Can't breathe. Yihan. Well done, Yihan. Grade 1, please. Paula. I really like her hat. She did a good job. Well done, Paula, as always. Well done. And last but not least, Yuki. Carvin's reaction. Thank you, Yuki. Yes, they're very close, aren't they?
Okay, let's do grade 3. Thank you, Mr. Jimmy.
Sorry, Fifi, I'm running away with the map.
It's okay. Okay, I went to the grade 3 class. Can you guys stand up and put on your hats, please? Amy, Lucas, stand up. Are you grade 2, 3? Okay, we want to give the whole class the award for the best hats for grade 3. Good job.
Good job, grade 3. Grade 4.
Grade 4, I'd say we all did a really good job, and I would like us to stand up, all those in grade 4 who made their hats, which are all of them. Could we please stand up and put our hats on? Thank you. Thank you, so that everybody sees. That's it. Zabon, could you please stand up and put your hats on? There we go. Cherie, same thing. There we go. I would like to thank the whole of grade 4 for their effort. Thank you.
Calling on grade 5, Miss Alex.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, I would like to give a award to Amir Alejandro for his creativity. Very creative. Good job. Good job, Amir. Okay. And I would like to give a reward to everyone in grade 5 who worked together to make this costume. Please stand up. All the things, the important things. Please. How many? Yes, we have many things. They're all very special, and thank you for working together. Owen, thank you for working together and helping each other make these costumes. Thank you, and this is for you. Thank you. You can see.
Okay, thank you, PYP. Thank you for your effort. You look so nice and cute. So now, before we end our assembly, we would like to share with you.
Well, the cat came back, and what do you know? He heard a crowd shout, "Go, dog, go!" Then a man named Sam gave him green eggs and ham. He followed him, chanting, "Sam, I am." Dr. Seuss is on the loose. Mr. Gump came by with the 7-hump one and offered him a ride on the Wump of Gum. They came upon some bears with 10 apples on top, with the whole town chasing them to make the apples drop. Dr. Seuss is on the loose. Passed a fox with his friend Mr. Knox, getting ready to box with the hairy Cox. And watching them was a man named Brown. Mr. Brown, he was upside down. Dr. Seuss is on the loose. By and by they passed McGilligan's pool with 1 fish, 2 fish, a red fish blue. And then they passed a yawning yellow yak with young Yolanda Jorgensen yelling on his back. Dr. Seuss is on the loose. You won't believe who the cat would meet as the wolf carried him down Mulberry Street. An elephant named Hawk who said he heard a hoot, a Yertle, the turtle, and Willie Waterloo. Dr. Seuss is on the loose. You won't believe who the cat would meet as the wolf carried him down Mulberry Street. An elephant named Hawk who said he heard a hoot, a Yertle, the turtle, and Willie Waterloo. Dr. Seuss is on the loose. Dr. Seuss is on the loose. Happy birthday dear Dr. Seuss, we honor you this day, and we thank you for the books, for the books, for the books you sent our way.